Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the maximum rotation angle on your THRUSTMASTer T-GT II. To do it, in the control panel, simply find wheel section right here in test input tab, and then you can change the rotation angle. If I set it to, let's say, 40, then you can see I can only rotate like that. And if I set it to 1080, which is the maximum, I can rotate it actually quite a lot. Now, if I set it to default, which is 900, it'll switch back automatically. It actually has centered itself, so it's also fun. But yeah, it has switched back. If I set it to like whatever, then you can see if I set it to, let's say, 180, here's 180, I can only rotate it 180, which means 90 in both sides, right? Now, if I set it to 40, then it's just 20 in both sides. And I'm gonna switch it back to default. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.